Hi, this tutorial is going to show you how to install Ackroo onto your iCT250. Please note, if your terminal says Global Payments on it, or your payment processor is Global Payments, you will need to reach out to them directly in order to have Ackroo installed. We are using this terminal for demonstration purposes only. What you're going to need to get started is the Ackroo USB stick, or any USB stick that you have, loaded with the software for the iCT250. Once that's done, on the back of your terminal, you can see the USB port right here. You're just simply going to plug in your USB stick. When you're ready to go, I'm going to explain this first, and then I'm going to show you how to do it. So you're going to press the yellow button and the pound button together simultaneously, and what that's going to do, your terminal is going to reboot, and you're going to see a little smiley face. When you see the smiley face, you're going to go ahead and press this button in the corner, and you're going to hold it until you see USB mass storage. So we'll go ahead and do that right now. So we're going to press those two buttons together. It's going to shut down. Smiley face, press and hold the button, and then you'll start to see it go through the installation process. This will take a couple of minutes. Now you'll see here Ackroo is version 3.12. That is the most recent version for most terminals, unless you have it installed from Global Payments, in which case you'll see 3.13. So once you're back at your terminal's main screen, you can go ahead, press this green button to bring you to your main menu, and you're just going to scroll until you see third party, which for us is number 10. For you it might be a different number. We're going to hit the green button, and then you'll see Ackroo. From there, you're going to press the number 1, and it will give you some further instructions. So you'll need to go to pin.ackroo.com to generate a 6-digit PIN number. You will use the same credentials that you use to access manage.ackroo.com to access your Ackroo dashboard. And once you've done that, you're all set up. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email us at support@ackroo.com.